What's up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and great spirits. Well, today's an interesting day. Today's a fun day. No, I didn't get taller, but I think it's pretty cool because you get to see the Hulk in all of his glory right here. But let's talk about what everyone has been asking me about. What is up with the C8 order? And what is up with the Black Mamba, the 2018 Mustang GT that's being boosted by VMP? Let's answer all those questions today in today's vlog. But first, you know what we gotta do first? We gotta do a cold start. Let's go right to the exhaust. We like to do that. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're gonna head over to Kasper's today. We're gonna do some fun things with the 500, and we also gotta check on the college Mamba. So jump in, stay tuned. We're gonna have a conversation about the C8 order. Am I still getting it? Am I not? What's the plan? What's the process? Where is the 2018 Mustang? We do have a date for when it's coming back. We'll talk about all that, why it took so long. Well, there's my channel. Stay tuned. We're going to have actual epic codes you can put in for free money on the website to get hats like this and get an entry into the GG500giveaway.com. It's first come, first serve. So once you get the code, you use it. Hit me up on the DMs when you get your merch, and I'll share that you got your free code, your free merch, and your free entry. I love that idol. Don't forget, signs, check it out, website, GG500giveaway.com. Oh! Woo-wee! Still cold out here. 34 degrees right now, but it is warming up. So let's get out of the show here. I wonder who's gonna win garage space when we get the Mamba back. So we shall see about that. All right, so let's discuss what's going on first and foremost with the Black Mamba. What's the hard date? Why it took so long? Why it's not exactly done yet? And what's our future with the Black Mamba? I talked to VMP and I said, listen, I need all the smoke. All right, I need that car to be a killer. And that's what we're going to do with it. You get to those kind of power levels, your weak points start to show. And to be better safe than sorry, because of all the passes on the Mamba, we both decided it's better to just build the trans. So the transmission is being taken out and being sent to be built. The light at the end of the tunnel, and I'll tell you when the car is going to be ready officially, when we're going to be in Florida, when we're going to pick it up, and when we're going to be at VMP. And also, I'll tell you again, the car is going to make gobs of power. It's going to be phenomenally set up. But anyhow, the 1080 has been taken out. It's being sent off to be built, clutches, the whole nine, so they can handle, because we're not going to do a glory pass and disappear till the fall. You know, we're going to run the car consistently, and eventually it's going to have to get a cage and a parachute and all that stuff, but we'll do that in stages. For now, this is the date that we're going to go to Florida and pick up the Mamba. We're going to have a big meet there at VMP. The date is going to be March 21st. We will be in Florida to pick up the Mamba. March 21st, we're going to be in Florida. The Mamba will be finished. We'll pick her up from VMP. We'd like you guys to be there. We're going to do a dyno. We'll have some fun. We'll meet up. We'll have a good time. And then again, we'll run the car later when Orlando Speedway opens up, get you that stuff. So that's what's going to happen. Now, that does mean something if you're following. Unfortunately, Mamba will not be ready for March 7th at Demonology's event. It will not be ready for 2K. So sadly, those events will not be possible yet. The car will not be finished until after those events, but that's okay. We're going to have plenty of events to go to. I'm sorry I'm missing those. I gotta call my buddy Demonology. Unfortunately, the Black Mamba is not ready in time. It will not be at his event, but we'll figure something out. Me and him we'll make that happen with the Soul Snatcher and the Black Mamba. So, you know, guaranteed that will happen. That's the story with the Black Mamba. March 21st. Mark your calendars if you're in the area. We'd love to have you come down and see her. You know, we'll have bring your Mustangs. Obviously, we'll have it all there, and we will love to showcase what the Odin kit has done. Full steam ahead, pun intended, for how much power it's making. And then we'll go to the drag strip together the next day and run her at their test and tune Orlando Motor Speedway. Now, let's talk about the C8 Corvette. Obviously, it's not losing any steam. A lot of people are starting to get their numbers in. I have the one we ordered, which was the blue, is at order number, it's 3,000, meaning it's been accepted in production, and then we go from there. That's update. You know, we got the blue color. It's going to take a little bit longer, so I'm hearing around May, June is when that car will be delivered. So nothing really more to update than that, but that's still being in the process. We got to talk about the elephant in the room that a lot of people get triggered because we are the StangMode channel. And us buying, or me buying a C8 Corvette, how does that jive? How does that work? I don't really know. I've always had Mustangs, but the fact that the price point is something that it can be attained, and it is a mid-engine, and I'm now in my mid-30s, and I'd like to experience a Corvette. You know, I'm always American muscle, Mopar, Chevy, Ford. Obviously, Ford to me is number one, especially Mustang. But I'd like to experience what that's like, and, you know, we'll go from there. So, I don't know. You know, I could still cancel the order. I have no idea, because, you know, it's kind of a conundrum. I never thought we would get to the point where we'd be this big. And I know we're not big in terms of, like, million subscribers, but, you know, to me, that's quite an achievement to get to 100,000 subscribers, which we're close to. And we'll celebrate together. So, you know, that's kind of like just me being candid about it. I just figured, hey, we'd like to see what that platform is like and experience it. But, you know, I could still potentially just say, you know, no thanks to it too. So it remains to be seen. It's kind of open-ended. That's kind of where I'm at with it. I'm not definitive. I'm really in a gray area with the car. Our order is locked in. We have our deposit down, and we'll kind of make a game time decision when the time is right. But that's kind of like me being honest with you about it. I don't have anything more to really, you know, update about it. But that is that story. We're dropping off the 500 because they're gonna get the rear camper set to -1 degrees per Ford Performance, and we're gonna trade cars. We're gonna get the college Mamba back, and we got something happening between you and me on Sunday, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah, I hear a call out.
Stay tuned. I'm racing Todd on Sunday at ACO. We're gonna surprise you with car he's coming with. So we'll wait for the video. We'll walk around his special build that you'll see a lot on the channel. So we're excited. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna leave this 500 here with Todd. I appreciate it, brother.
Got it.
And you want to talk to us about what you guys did with the college?
All new rotors, all new pads, calipers. All the slides were hung up on it. So basically
Gotcha.
Put calipers, rotors, let the whole brakes out so the brakes feel good.
Wow.
The only good slide that was on the whole car was the driver's side left front. So that's still original, but everything else is new.
I don't know why I love this car. It's so good. We still surviving the college car is good to go. I gotta take this down the strip too.
We didn't do no Brembo brakes or nothing.
No, there's
Basic brakes.
we can do a brake swap, 16.5-inch rotors.
Yeah, right?
Mason said himself that he loves the way this car drives. So it runs good, runs quiet. So we're excited. And this was all the old brake.
That was the worst one on all cars.
Woo! Good times. That's good.
Like I said, fuel delivery just showed up, so for Sunday, so it's walking.
Uh-oh.
They said the only thing else I need really is front struts.
Okay.
Suspension was tight in the front, but you got a clunk in the front, and then the back needs some handlebar.
All right.
All these cars really need. When you get on it, load, it kind of shifts to the right. Let
Yeah.
off, back.
Yeah.
Goes on the back. That's about it.
All right.
I was just driving, man. That's all.
All right. Once again, check out Kasper's Corners in Clementon. I'll put a link in the description. It's always in every description. We're going to be racing soon, so appreciate it. And then we'll come back and pick up the Hulk when she's ready to go, brother.
Got it, man.
Appreciate it.
There it is.
Is that, oh, C16. That's not for the 500. That's for what you're racing, huh? Oh. The Hulk here, and we're picking back up our college Mamba. I'm so excited. What's up? And that's right. I'm excited to drive my V6 4-liter college car. Whew. You'd be surprised how much I enjoy this car. Just because, yes, I'm in a V6, and I obviously we're leaving the the 500 back there, but I love this car. Is just like, it drives so well, it drives so comfortable, and it's just so awesome. So there's just so much going on that I have to do, but I tell you what, this really, this is so funny. You know, you can't have fun in any car, I think. I mean, obviously, you know, we have this crazy $90,000 GT500, but then I have this little V6 convertible 06, and I love it. And I really appreciate what's going on. So yeah, this just materialized that I'm racing one of the really, actually, for lack of a better term, a racing legend in Todd Kasper, who raced a lot of Fox bodies, a lot of Mark 8s, had a big racing scene. So he's built his car, which I'll reveal to you when you watch the video. So we're racing each other at ATCO, and of course we're going to try to set our best ET. So we are happy now. The convertible top, we are gonna get that installed next. There's just so many things I have to do. Also, there is still the new Edge. This has been a crazy video, just explaining everything. So thank you for staying on. I hope you guys have caught or paused the video at the right time to catch the codes of what's going on. And you know, and I appreciate your candid feedback. You know, is it for lack of a better term, blasphemy for us to get a Corvette on the StangMode channel? Because, you know, I appreciate your feedback and I totally get it. You know, when we had the EcoBoost, and that was blasphemy, and we got the GT and it grew, and now we have the 500. But you know, this new mid-engine Corvette is here, and it's attainable, and we have it locked in order. Like, do we continue to proceed with that process, or is it something that, you know, is too much of a jump for a lot of you to say, hey, I can't do that. You know, this is a Mustang only, you know, setup, and it hurts me to see it. But, you know, and also, I'm rambling a little bit, but I am intrigued by what the 500 is going to do at ATCO. We were at North Carolina with not the best prep and not the best air and not the best situation, and I was spinning. So we're going to go to ATCO, our home track, and we'll see what she does. So it is nice for road gears, especially back in our convertible car. So yep, we are. It's so interesting to me how happy I am in anything that has a Mustang symbol on it. It's kind of crazy, especially obviously this car has so many sentimental reasons and so many sentimental moments that it's continuing to be a longer build. Of course, you're gonna repaint it, fix some more stuff with the body kit, and again, we still have the wreck Mamba coming. I just so many things to do, so little time to do it, but I appreciate the support. Really humbled that we're closing in on 100,000 subscribers. That really is a phenomenal, humbling achievement, especially because, you know, I didn't really think we come close to that point. You know, we worked hard and we were hoping for it, but now that it's closer than it is far away, it's something that I'm excited about, and that will continue to keep pushing. So anyways, I appreciate the support. I hope you guys, whoever paused the video, got the codes. Please check out GTA500giveaway.com. Oh man, a lot of good things, a lot of fun things happening, because you guys know it never ends.